breaking inputs coming in. Another threat video of Pooja's mother is out now on camera. The mother can be seen threatening metro workers. This video is from 2022. Earlier you saw Pooja's mother flaunting a gun, threatening a local farmer, talking about a land deal. And now once again on camera, this is Pooja's mother who was seen threatening metro workers. This video is from 2022, but this talks a great deal about the mindset of this entire family that believes in using its influence and clout in manipulating the system and in threatening people, obstructing their work. On camera, this is Pooja's mother once again. This time around, she was seen threatening the metro workers. Let's listen into what was happening.
दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं हे माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय हे माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो साहेबांना भेटायला लावून द्यायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं हे माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय हे माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो साहेबांना भेटायला लावून द्यायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं हे माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय हे माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो साहेबांना भेटायला लावून द्यायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं हे माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय हे माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो साहेबांना भेटायला लावून द्यायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं हे माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय हे माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो साहेबांना भेटायला लावून द्यायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं हे माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय हे माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो साहेबांना भेटायला लावून द्यायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं हे माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय हे माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो साहेबांना भेटायला लावून द्यायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे बोलायचं हे माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय हे माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही
We have Srushti, Nilesh and Arunil joining us on the broadcast. In the video, on one hand, you can see the mother flaunting a gun while talking to a local farmer. And in the other video, according to reports coming in, she was threatening the metro workers. Full-fledged confrontation between Pooja's mother and the police officers. Let me first go across to Srushti. We're also joined by Dr. Vikram Singh, retired IPS officer, and PK Jain, former additional DGP of Maharashtra. Srushti, coming to you first. At one point in the video, the police officers tell her, "Why are you here bringing sticks and axe with you?" What was happening?
Well, of course, the construction work of Pune Metro was going on, and at present we are reporting from the exact spot where this confrontation was happening. You can see in the visuals on my right side, this is a Kedkar family residence, and you can see on the back side, I'll ask my VJ to just pan out. This is the metro construction work which was going on, and according to Pooja's mother, it was disturbing her, and that's why she came out lashing on the metro officials. However, when they were not able to, handle her aggression, they called up police. However, even police were not able to, control her aggression. She kept on shouting on them, and police can be seen saying that why are you bringing axes and lathis, and that's what he is mentioning. However, when we spoke to the concerned official regarding the same, he said that it was absolutely uncalled for the way Pooja's mother behaved with us. I had to personally visit her house, had to apologize her so that I can continue my work, is what the official has also mentioned. He said that she kept on shouting at us. The way she behaved was very wrong. I went to her house and understood the gravity of their lavishness, as they have so many private number cars and they have such lavish cars. And she kept on also saying more and more time that we have power and you cannot do much against us. And those were the statements coming in from Pooja's mother. And she was in absolutely high-headedness, which with this family is there, which we can understand from the other sequences also, whether it be flaunting the pistol or confronting the police officers and lashing out them. And this is the exact trait of the entire Khedkar family which is coming to fore. This is exclusive video which we have accessed, and what comes across is that it's not just the pistol flaunting, but the entitlement, the way this family is behaving.
Entitlement is the right word that you used, Shrishti. Let me also bring in Arunil. Arunil, on one hand, according to reports, fraud committed at every level by Pooja. On the other hand, these videos of the mother, does not take a scientist to tell you where this courage comes from.
Well, certainly yes. And what is appalling, Swati, is that why didn't the cops act at that time when Pooja Khedkar's mother was going with bouncers to a farm of poor farmers and threatening them on gunpoint? That time also the cops didn't act. Here as well, basically threatening officers on duty, the metro officials who are doing their duty, basically threatening them with bouncers being present around her. This entire story is not about Pooja Khedkar's mother. It is about entitlement, which Shrishti was also pointing towards. That how the Khedkar family believes that they can achieve whatever they want just because they have some resources, they have a political clout, they have relations with several political leaders in the state of Maharashtra. And was there a major connivance that was brewing up between this politically strong, monetarily strong Khedkar family and the officers who gave the approval for disability certificates as well as approval for Pooja Khedkar to become an IAS officer? Because not one lapse, we have exposed on Times Now multiple such lapses, not only about the mother but about Pooja Khedkar as well, that how she basically approached as many as 3 hospitals to get disability certificates, how there was an alleged attempt to increase her disability, first showing low vision, then increase the disability with basically a disability on leg as well, so that the cutoff mark gets reduced. There is also an alleged attempt to show that she is from an underprivileged background, despite her father showing in the affidavit wherein he contested elections with a wealth of more than rupees 40 crore. This is also about the mother who is openly threatening officers on duty who are doing metro construction work, or who is openly threatening poor farmers as well.
Absolutely. Openly threatening poor farmers, openly threatening the officials and not allowing them to do their job. Let's once again listen to the video and before we open this up for our guests.
दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे ना बोलायचं ते माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय ते माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही थांबते पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो तुमच्या लक्षात आली मला काम आहे तिकडे जाऊन साहेबांना भेटायला लावून जायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे ना बोलायचं ते माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय ते माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही थांबते पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो तुमच्या लक्षात आली मला काम आहे तिकडे जाऊन साहेबांना भेटायला लावून जायच्या दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येताय म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे ना बोलायचं ते माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय ते माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही थांबते पोलीस बरोबर आहे हो तुमच्या लक्षात आली मला काम आहे तिकडे साहेबांना भेटायला दांडेन कुराडेन घेऊन येत आहे म्हणलं काय तुला सांगायचं नागरिक आहे का कशासाठी आलोय तुमचं काम आहे ना बोलायचं ते माझं काम आहे का बडबड करताय ते माझं काम आहे का ते मग आम्हाला आलोय तर तुम्ही
Dr. Vikram Singh, what is your assessment? What is this? Superiority complex? Is this criminal mindset, circumventing, manipulating the system? This sense of entitlement based on what?
Harti and Mr. Jain, good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolutely crass, irresponsible, and from the gutter. A public servant is supposed to be self-effacing and absolutely anonymous. And here you have the lady, and the lady has equally responsible for upholding the dignity of the officer, her husband, and the All India Service Conduct Rules and the Civil Services Conduct Rules in this manner. I can tell you all the section 332 of the then IPC should have been invoked and she should have been behind bars. She is a serial offender. The weapon should have been confiscated, not only that particular handgun that she was handling, but all other weapons with the husband and her should have been confiscated in the first go. She does not have it in her to have a weapon and license and then flaunting it as if she is some kind of a bully. Now, the third thing is the manner in which they bulldozed their way through in getting the certificates also goes to show, I feel sorry for Pooja that she was brought up in a very toxic atmosphere. Obviously, the upbringing has been such that her mind has been wired in a very wrong direction. And I believe that she said that she is innocent till proven guilty. Let me tell you, this happens with the netas. With us public servants, and Mr. Jain will tell you that once you are on the suspicious list, first you are out of the system either under suspension or dismissal under the provisions of Article 311 of the Constitution. Summarily, we have this court-martial proceedings in the army and the armed forces, and we in the All India Service have zero tolerance this kind of brazenness, this kind of corrupt practices, intellectual dishonesty. If we have not done it, we have failed as public servants. My advice to the local police
this kept happening time and again. It also means that she was let off easily. PK Jain, people like us, we get scared if we jump the signal. We are scared even if we don't file our IT returns on time, thinking of all the catastrophic things that are going to happen to us. And look at Pooja and her entire family, the sense of entitlement, openly flaunting guns to threaten a local farmer, entering into a verbal argument with the metro workers who are just doing their job, bringing sticks and axe. That's what the police officers there in the video are talking about. Where does this kind of courage come from if there is no patronage, no backing?
Swati, good morning. Thank you for inviting me to such a live issue. For me, it is a process of learning. I thought the UPSC process was absolutely above board and everything was, going as per rules. Unfortunately, this particular case shows me that the system has been manipulated not once, repeatedly. And as far as Pooja is concerned, this is running into the family. The father also joined his daughter in bullying the collectorate officials to provide her with a cabin and car and things like that, staff, etc. The mother has been bullying people, whether it is on a farm or at a residence when they are carrying out some government job, the metro in this case. So it is running into the family. And I can only say that this has all come because she has been getting emboldened by the steps. She got her first disability certificate in 2015, then 2018, I think. Now the third one is 2022. And every time the disability level has been increased in connivance with the doctors who have examined her, it all appears now that it is all a connivance and manipulation of certificates on the basis of which she has been jumping from one job to another. She got her medical admission and then she has been into 3 services, the last one now being the IS. She has got 841 rank.
Right.
But the lady has learnt well how to use the system. She has been using the system.
If this runs in the family, somebody should have stopped the family. Why did officials not take action on time if there were complaints registered? Stay on with us, Mr. Jain and Vikram Singh. We in fact spoke to the eyewitness of